Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Miko Ishida. Code KTKC185. Released on July 16, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about beautiful girl and the guy. Miko Ishida went to Tokyo to meet up the guy and showcase her talent. So stay tuned for more series to watch. Highly recommended.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.